For this tutorial, I'll be demonstrating on the two leftover parts in the front. I've parted my hair into large parts as seen in this reference photo. For the curly bits or the boho bits, I'm going to be using Freetress Braids Go-Go Curl. And for the braiding bit, instead of using normal expression or extensions, I've decided to use marley braid hair just to make it look maybe a little bit more natural. And since I didn't want to use gel on my roots, I just thought this would look a lot more seamless with my natural 4C hair. I've started the braids as if I want to do a knotless braid, you know, where you start braiding your own hair first and then you start feeding in the extensions or whatever expression hair you want to use. In this case, I'm using marley hair. So I braid it once and then the second time, and then I start to feed in the marley hair. I would normally use some form of braiding gel or gummy wax for my roots, but I just decided not to in this case because I wanted this hairstyle to look as natural as possible. And since I work out a lot, I just don't like when the sweat and all the dirt from all the hair products is like on my face and then I start to break out. So just to avoid all of that, I've just blow dried my hair and braided it just as is, and maybe just put a little bit of hair grease on my scalp. But apart from that, for this hairstyle, I'm not using braiding gel really on my scalp, but I've put some on my ends, as you'll see later. And the only way I know how to put in the curly pieces in my mouth just to hold it while I feed it in, you know, so I can have that bow effect. I know it's a very, very bad habit. I've seen it, you know, you could have like some mouth sores because of the hair extensions, but I've been doing it this way for as long as I know. And yeah, I'll probably try to break out of this habit soon, but yeah, because this was a quick hair video, I just did it the same way I knew how to. So there we have it, quick and easy. Just to finish off, I apply a little bit of mousse, or a lot of mousse actually, on the entire head, especially the curly bits. And then afterwards, I think I trim it a bit, just the ends. To find the curly bits as well, I use some Got To Be gel just to make sure the curly bits don't frizz as easy and don't look matted and old very quickly. Yeah, and that's it. So this was a very quick and easy hairstyle for me. My usual method of a hairstyle like this is just in an updo or a ponytail, and that's how I really have my hair 24/7. So this was just, you know, for vibes and something effective for me, especially that's good for my routine, my daily routine, in terms of like, you know, working out and doing what I need to do for the day. So, you know, I just like having my hair done all the time. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Leave your comments if you'll be trying this hairstyle, if you like it, you know, or if you actually really hate this hairstyle. Because yeah, I don't think the synthetic curls look that bad. To me, they're actually okay, and it's a lot cheaper than using human hair and wasting like 50 to 100 pounds on a bundle of hair just for one hairstyle that I would end up taking out in like 2 weeks or 3 weeks and then throwing the hair away. Yeah, so yeah, this is what the back of the hair looks. Yeah, it doesn't look bad, but the only thing I think might have been worth it was putting the hair in hot water, which yeah, I might change my mind about. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Hope you've enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Bye.